Good morning. My name is Alexis Belandi Naranjo. I am currently studying Industrial Engineering in the University of Duitama, Boyacá. I am currently receiving all from English friend. I am going to your shift. Where do you live? Every dark camp in the Fendi's type attractions in the wind spent on the phone. My seat infant thermal pools in the wind in different times spiced rubbered massage. Then in Paipa we can find tropical foods, way arabs wind chorizo, boyacense steep, roach wind, to mojarra Swiss y massage con almohaban, with almohaban. Tourist attraction with un camping monument on 24 lances in the Pantano Vargas, in the house which in the March Pantano de Vargas, in the shots in when I ski on the ring on the kayak. There is YM Hotel, Win Independent Job Economic Status. Do you find friends? Receive reference on the people and the by visited and the will with and the arms. Goodbye.